Hi, I'm Didi Caldwell, the Factory Whisperer. Today we're heading to the South Atlantic region where diversity, logistics, and global investment converge. Each year, our team at Global Location Strategies ranks the best U.S. metros for food manufacturing based on cost, quality, and industry momentum. Spanning 84 metropolitan areas across Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Maryland, North and South Carolina, Virginia, and West Virginia, this region is a national leader in food manufacturing. It has the highest percentage of preferred and premium locations in the country, thanks to its strong industry ecosystem, its workforce availability, and competitive operating cost. The South Atlantic attracted 19% of all U.S. food manufacturing projects over the last couple of years, second only to the East North Central region. And nearly 57% of those projects involved foreign investment, underscoring its global appeal. So let's count down the top 5 metros in the South Atlantic region, all of which rank in the top 10 nationally. Number 5, Chattanooga, Tennessee, Georgia, has competitive cost and strategic access to the Southeast, the Mid-Atlantic, and Gulf Coast. Its location along key freight corridors and its growing industrial base make it a smart choice for food manufacturers. At number 4, the booming city of Atlanta, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Georgia. Atlanta continues to be a logistics powerhouse, offering access to Hartsfield-Jackson International Airport, the busiest in the world, major interstates, and a deep talent pool. Its affordability and infrastructure keep it high on the list for food industry expansion. At number 3, Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Ranked 4th nationally, Winston-Salem climbed 6 places this year thanks to improved logistics and a significant drop in natural gas rates. Its strong manufacturing tradition and workforce readiness make it a rising star in the region. At number 2, Savannah, Georgia, my birthplace. Ranked 2nd nationally, Savannah slipped 1 spot due to rising lease rates, but remains a top performer in the industry ecosystem, workforce, and livability. Savannah also received the highest quality score in the region. And then finally coming in at number 1 in the region and number 1 nationally is Warner Robins, Georgia. This MSA jumped 11 spots this year despite rising labor costs. It saw a drop in utility costs and scored highest in attraction and quality of life, demographics, and workforce. A major driver of this success was the Jack Link's beef jerky facility, which alongside the Frito-Lay's expansion is bringing over $650 million in investment and nearly 1,000 jobs to Warner Robins. These projects have significantly strengthened the Metro's industry ecosystem and workforce pipeline, positioning Warner Robins as a national leader in food manufacturing. Dalton, Georgia, delivered the lowest operating cost in the region, making it a key player in the South Atlantic's food manufacturing landscape. This region led the nation in coffee and tea projects, accounting for 66% of all U.S. announcements in that sector, and played a major role in fruits, vegetables and specialty foods, and other food and beverage categories. From coastal ports to culinary innovation, the South Atlantic region is brewing, blending, and building the future of food. Want to learn more about our assessment of this region or any other region of the United States? Be sure to download our report and check out our other videos where I highlight the best metros across the U.S. for food manufacturing. I'm Didi Caldwell. Until next time.